What is up? That's right, I am moving to Virginia. This is crazy, man. I can't believe it. My brother is moving to Florida, so I'm moving my brother to Florida first. We're gonna vlog a little bit there, and then I'm gonna finally move to Virginia January 9th. As you can see, I am packed to the brim, man. I got my juggling equipment back there. I've got my camera equipment back there. I've got my tennis equipment back there. I've got my bedding, I've got my clothes, I got my refrigerator, I got all my appliances, I got my technology, and I've got everything that I possibly will need to live on in Virginia. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm leaving my home here in Texas for this new journey. I can't wait. I even got my little friend, Poopy. It's time to get on the road. So we've driven about 3 hours. I'm about to get some gas. Also, instead of making one long travel vlog, I am going to try to upload a 3 to 5 minute vlog every day until I make it to Virginia. Let's get back on the road. I'll say this, that Florida trip that took a while back ago, that was good practice for this. It's about the same distance, but it's so much easier this time. There's Mark. So we've driven for about 5 hours, stopped at McDonald's, making a bet with my brother. If he can beat me in paper football, all you gotta do is land it on the edge. I'll buy him an apple pie. Think you can beat me? Yeah. You go first. Oh. Just the first person to land it. Ah, suck. Ooh. Oh. I guess my brother's getting apple pie tonight. That was actually kind of dope. Here you go. Congratulations.